Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm making the best dessert recipe for Onam. That is Paruppu Payasam, or also called as Parippu Pradaman. Before we start the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot, and click the bell icon to get all the new updates and notifications from our channel, which is completely free. So let's see how to make this appetizing recipe. Take a pressure cooker, add in 1/4 cup of ghee, and once the ghee is melted, add in washed and drained chana dal. Roast it for around 10 minutes. Then add in around 3 cups of warm water. Give it a mix. Now close the pressure cooker and cook the dal up to 4 whistles. Now the dal has cooked really well. Now mash this a bit, but don't mash it completely because we need some bits of dal in our sweet. I'm making this sweet in this traditional brass cookware of South India called as urli. So add around half a cup of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add in coconut pieces, and fry it till it turns into golden brown shade. Now take it out from the ghee. Now fry some cashew nuts. Now fry some golden raisins, and you have to fry it till it turns into the small beautiful balls. Keep all this aside for garnishing. Now into the same ghee add in the cooked dal with the water. Mix and boil it. Keep stirring in between. And once the dal turns thick, you can add the liquid jaggery for the sweetness. Here I have added just 1 cup of jaggery, but if you want you can add more or less according to the sweetness you need for the recipe. Now let's add the thin coconut milk. So if you want your payasam to be a bit thick, you can add just 2.5 cups of thin coconut milk. Now boil this on a high flame for around 10 minutes. After boiling for 10 minutes, add in thick coconut milk. After adding the thick coconut milk, you should not boil it. Just heat it up and turn off the flame. Then add in dry ginger powder, some cardamom powder, and mix it. Now add the fried nuts, raisins, and coconut pieces. There you go, our mouth-watering Parippu Payasam is ready. When it cools down, it will become more thick. And this is served in the traditional urli during Onam. Grey Pot wishes everyone a very happy Onam. So definitely try out this recipe during this Onam and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to get subscribed. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel Grey Pot. Do check it out. Thank you.